Hello friends, in this tutorial session I'm going to show you how to run Python program in Notepad++. Right now you can see this is the Notepad and the steps mentioned here. Let's get started with the step 1. The first step, you need to check Python is installed on your system or not. If the Python is not installed on your system, guys, please watch this tutorial in the same link given in the description box. You can watch the step 1 and 2 for the installation. Now we will see if the Python is installed our system or not. So just go here, type cmd and open a cmd prompt. Okay, when the prompt is open, just type python hyphen version, press enter, and you will see the Python version which is installed on your system. Now it's okay, we can proceed. Now in the step 2, we need to install a plugin. This is npp exec plugin, which we are going to install inside the Notepad. If this plugin is already installed on your system, you can skip this step. Now I will show you how to install it before going to step 3. So go on the top menu side, click here on the plugins. After that, plugin manager, then click here show plugin manager. So guys, make sure you are connected with the internet, only then you will able to see all these plugins. Okay, once this list is populated, now search for npp exec. Once you get it, check this box and click on the install button. This will take few more seconds for the installation and you will see a progress bar here. Okay, click on this yes, again click yes, and you will see a window, confirmation box from the window. Press OK and the installation is done. Now guys, we are going to perform this step 3. So you have to go here in the plugins and then you will find the npp exec option here. On the right hand side, click on the execute and you will see this small window. Here we have this command window. At this place we are going to write a small script, or we can say few lines of commands, okay, that is required to run a Python program. And this is the command or a script. Just copy this same script given in the description box as well for your help. So copy from that place, come back here and paste it here in this command window. Okay, make sure there is no extra space. So if there is any extra space in these lines, please delete that and set this. npp save means this is the first command. If you create any new file, this will ask you to save your file with a particular name. Now click on this save button and this will ask you to save your script with a name. So I am giving a new name, run python, and click here on the save. Once this is saved, this will be added here in the list. Now you can check the drop down and you will find your script here. Click OK. Once you click OK, the console will appear and you will see some activity going on. That means your script is successfully created. So we have set up this thing. Now we will do one more thing. So we are going to create a menu item for this. Also we will create a shortcut key to run the Python program. Again we have to go here in the top menu plugins, then npp exec. Now come down here, select advanced options, and this new window will appear in front of you. Just come down, see here, this is the menu item. So we are going to add our script inside the menu item. So from the drop down we have to select our script. Now this is selected, and the item name, you can give the item name that you want to display on the menu. So you can change the name as well, but I am not doing any change. Click here on the add modify, then you will see your script is added on the top box. Also on the right hand side you can set a hotkey, that means a single key to execute it. So right now I'm leaving this thing as it is. Click OK, and this will ask you to restart your Notepad once. Now guys, we will create a shortcut for this menu item, so this will be easy for us to run any programs. You have to restart your Notepad++ and go again at the same place, settings, shortcut mapper, here in this window, plug in commands, and then look for the script that you have created. And I'm looking for the Python run. So here we found it, run Python at line number 37. So at this place we will create shortcut. Click here on this blank space. So this small window will appear. Now here we have the combination of Alt key, Control key and Shift key. Plus we have the multiple keyboard keys options. So we can take a suitable combination for us to run our Python program. So I'm choosing Alt key plus I'm going to select one more key for the combination. So I think E is good for me. If execution, Alt E. So if you want to create shortcut key combination with 3 keys, so you can do it. But okay, now I found that Alt E is already there, so I have just changed it to Alt plus R, and this is saved. Now it's time to run it. Now I will show you. You will see where you will get the shortcut. Here at this place you will see the run Python. This is a menu shortcut plus the shortcut key combination Alt plus R that we have created. Now at step 5 we simply going to create and run a Python program. So just open a new notepad, and if you have a Python program ready, so just paste it here. And now we are going to perform the activity from this menu item. So you can click at this menu item, or simply you can press Alt R. So the first command will prompt you a save as dialog box. Now it's time to save your program with a given name. So I am saving this program, my Python program.py, because py is the extension for the Python program. And at this place select Alt type and save this program. Now this program is saved on the desktop and this is immediately executed. You can see on the console results is appearing, sum of 1.5 and 6.3 is 7.8. Execution is successful. This is the last line from the program which is executed and printed some results here. Python program execution is successful in Notepad++. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And guys, for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.